This is a 2014 Chevy Equinox LT, 4-cylinder, all-wheel drive. Has a salvage title due to light front end damage. You can see the frame rails down there, nice and straight. The front bumper cover was replaced, 2 fenders, and the hood. The original core support here is still original, but the cooling, and then of course all the plastic, the grills and whatnot up here are all original. You can hear it running right now, just fine. Hood shuts fine. A little dirty, that's mud that wipes right off. I don't see any scratches and whatnot. Fortunately, looks like we have a little bird poop here, but that'll of course just wash right off. Door shuts fine. This is all-wheel drive, but if you look here at the tire tread, obviously with only about 10,000 miles on this vehicle, the tires are just like new yet. Of course, we do have a backup camera right there. It does not have the power rear liftgate. Of course, the seat backs, they do recline back. They do go forward, whichever way you want them to go. Again, it's all-wheel drive. And look here and see if it's... This is an E85 gas vehicle. You can run E85 or just normal unleaded. Tires are fine there. Up underneath. All nice and clean. I believe this rim, yes, it was this rim here. It's just got a little ding there on the chrome cladding. I don't see any scratches at all all around the vehicle. Current mileage is 11,618 miles. I'll go ahead and shut it off, open up the door, do a fresh restart. Of course, all the idiot lights all go out there. Radio works just fine. It is a touchscreen radio as well. Eco and our traction control is here. We do have an owner's manual, several of them. We only have one key for this one. It does have remote start, as you can see there. We do have Bluetooth, your cruise control functions. And I'll go ahead and put my seatbelt on. Here's the center console. Roll up my window. Turning the AC on here. I know you can't tell in the video, but it does blow a nice cold, chilly AC. It does run nice and true down the road. No shimmies, no shakes, rattles, clunks, or doesn't pull one way or another. Get up to highway speed here. You can see we're just about to highway speed right now. And actually now we are. I'm letting go of the steering wheel, not touching it whatsoever. My hand's here, my knee's not touching it. We're still going straight down the road. So it doesn't pull one way or the other. Again, no shimmy shakes. Runs and drives really nice. Of course, everything works. All your power windows, power locks, horns, there's your wipers. They all work. Does have power mirrors, and you can see it right there. It's got heated mirrors. Turn our cruise control on. That's what the white light right there is. Go ahead. See the cruise is set. I'll pull away. We're going straight down the road. I'm not touching the steering wheel at all. We're still going straight down the road here. So if you have any questions, feel free to email us. Thank you.